and welcome to another episode of Meaning Through English, where you learn English with memes. Today we'll be discussing gender pronouns. So you might have heard a lot about gender-neutral pronouns and aren't positive about when to use them, how to use them, or why to use them. So we'll be talking in depth about they, them, theirs pronouns, and we'll also be going over how to stay gender neutral whenever you're giving different job descriptions or job titles for people. And here are the list of pronouns. A female is she, her, hers, herself. Male, he, him, his, self. And gender neutral, they, them, theirs, themselves. Now, you might also be wondering, why is it such a big deal to use gender-neutral pronouns? So we'll be talking about that as well. So how to use they, them, theirs. And if you are unsure or do not know which pronoun to use they, them pronouns and ask the person what pronouns they prefer. Use they, them as well to avoid saying the gender of a person when you are telling a story. And this is good if you either have a gender-neutral friend or if you want to not use he or she and you don't want to discuss the gender of a person when you are telling a story. And this is also common if you just want to stay gender-neutral and you don't want to emphasize the gender or talk about the gender of a person. And on the right, you can see this is what it likes if you call everyone either he or she. And on the bottom, you see calling everyone by their preferred gender pronouns, which you can see is much better. So what exactly is the grammar for they, them, theirs? Well, the grammar for they, them is the same for one person as it is for the traditional they, them pronouns for a group. So I have the formula right below. You have they, them, plus a verb in plural tense, and that means one person. Now you have the exact same formula, same grammar for a group. You have they, them, plus a verb in plural, and that equals a group of people. So how exactly do you know if you're talking about one person or a group of people? So the context or situation lets you know if you're talking about one person or a group of people. And here's an example. You can say, Luddy likes tacos, and this is one person, so you can replace Luddy with they, and you say they like tacos, which is one person. But you have to notice the verb change. You have Luddy likes, so when you use the name of the person, it takes the third person singular verb, or you have the S at the end of the verb. But when you use they, them pronouns, you're using it as you would in a group of people, and you take away the S, so it becomes they like. Now, if you're talking about a group of people, you can say, my soccer friends like tacos, and then you can replace soccer friends with they, and say they like tacos. Here you can notice that the verb tense stays the same for both situations in a group. And just to be more clear about what it looks like if you're talking about they, them, theirs. So these are the two situations where you're going to use they, them, theirs. You can have the gender neutral person on the left side, or you can say they, them, theirs, or you can have the group of people, which is two or more people, and you use they, them, theirs as well. So some more pronoun example sentences. You have she likes playing soccer. I like playing soccer with her. That's her soccer ball. And then if you're going to the male version, he likes playing soccer. I like playing soccer with him. That's his soccer ball. And you have they like playing soccer. I like playing soccer with them. That's their soccer ball. And if you're looking at the last example sentence, this is how you use it for a gender-neutral pronoun. And it's also how you use it if you're talking about a group of people. So right now it's unclear if you're talking about a group of people or one person, so you just need to know about the context. And what are some other ways that you can say more gender neutral or gender friendly? So a lot of titles, for jobs have the word man in them. And this is very traditional, so a lot of people are trying to replace these and make them have a gender neutral term as well as a female version of the word. And you can use either that you like. So for each of these situations, I list the gender neutral term first, then the male, then the female. First, you have male carrier, male man, male woman. Problems in your personal life? Choose a career with the U.S. Postal Service. No personal life, no problems. Anybody can be a mail carrier. Next, you've got meteorologist, weatherman, weatherwoman, firefighter, fireman, firewoman, police officer, policeman, policewoman, repair person, repairman, repairwoman, salesperson, salesman, saleswoman, trash collector, trash man, trash woman. And if you encounter more job titles with the word man and aren't sure what to do, you can either look it up, or a general term is you can replace the second word man with the word person. For example, with salesman, you just take away man and you make it salesperson. And this is friendly and can talk about either gender. And a last fun fact for the day, a gender neutral term for sugar mama or sugar daddy is glucose guardian. So if you learned something new in this video, or you had a little bit of entertainment for the day, please like and subscribe for more videos with Meaning Through English. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!